everybody. So this little video, just kind of quick, I just want to do a little house tour before I start all my Halloween stuff, even though what we're panning right now kind of looks Halloweenish. You'll find that in most of my house. I have a lot of kind of dark things. I just happen to like stuff like that. Look at that. Whoa, that's my Anne Boleyn throw. It's a new one. Perfect colors for me. Anyway, so this is my living room. I'm standing at the front door. I'm a big thrifter and I shop a lot on Temu online, and I redo things myself. So like the wall that we're looking at right now, most of those prints up there, they're prints on canvas that I framed in thrift store frames. And I just love a good gallery wall. You'll see that. Yeah, I'm a maximalist. I like to call myself a personal maximalist. Meaning, to me, that means that all this stuff means a lot to me. I don't have stuff that doesn't mean anything to me. So I love all my stuff. So let's start over here. This is a little corner in the living room, front window. There's my front yard. Look at my limelights, my hydrangeas. They're finally growing. Woohoo! I think they're 3 years old. Anyway, this is a little corner in my living room. I redid the chair. I redid the encyclopedias. I redid that gold crown. I made those sea fan little things. I made that. Let's see where all the old photos are. Right over there. That's an old lantern I painted and kind of tore the guts out. Now it just displays old photos. Well, and it kind of houses them. There's a ton in there. And the mirror, the very tall mirror, I made the frame. It's just pieces of wood leaning against the mirror, and the mirror is torn out of an old mobile home. We were going to throw them away, so they're mirror doors, just leaning against the wall. Love that. And this is a thrift store frame. I got the mat, huge mat from Michael's. It cost me 50 bucks probably 10 years ago, maybe even more than that. And I just happen to like the look. There's a little etching that I really, really love. And yeah, I just really like that old world kind of etching. And there's my gallery wall. And this over here, this is my cabinet of curiosities, which I'm forever adding to. But I love finding little things and adding them to the cabinet of curiosities. Flanked by a couple of posters that still are screaming for a DIY to make them look a little more like paintings. Now let's go over here. The Murder for Hire banner is a new one that I made. I got the blank banner from Temu and just did my own thing with it. That just popped in my head. Murder for hire. I have no idea why. It's a little worrisome. Anyway, just bits and bobs, things that I really like, that interest me. Like I love that little print there. I love that. And these are fairly recent. These are little vintage-looking pharmacy bottles I made for Halloween. Do something a little different than the usual cutesy labels. And over here, back over here, the sofa I picked up for $15 at an old thrift store. It's now closed. And I recovered it myself with burlap and white cotton. And yeah, turned out really cool, I think. And the two armchairs, they're IKEA. Had them for years. Slipcovers are, yeah, falling apart, but I don't care. And that's my living room. Look at the light fixture. I love my light fixture. All right. Oh, and I made these little ribbons up here. I just thought it'd be fun to have vintage-looking ribbons on my horse and cow prints. So there's another one I made. Okay, and then we'll mosey into the kitchen. Here's my kitchen. And I do love my kitchen. Again, maximalist, a lot of stuff. But all that stuff, you know, it makes me happy. It makes me happy every time I walk into one of my rooms and I see all my, what I think are fabulous things. And I try and corral the tiny things on these little tiered trays. And I do like silver, I like glass. And my paintbrushes, because I do a lot of painting at the kitchen table in here. I don't like the look of cheap vinyl windows, so I just added that little picture frame with some chicken wire. And I've just started adding little doodads to it. I like little doodads. And my kitchen table, picked that up for $15 at that old thrift store that's now closed. The chairs, those are from Wayfair. They were on sale. And the light fixtures, Home Depot. And there's another one of those prints leaning against the wall that I framed in a very tall frame. I cut out the guy, painted the background black, and then had him peeking out. I think it turned out kind of cool. And my back door, I have the same frame, wreath on the front door. Here, I'll close this so you can see. I love this view here. The floor here I redid. What it is it's just little pieces of black sticky paper, contact paper. I just wanted a better look for the floor, something a little less humdrum. And that's where all my tools are. Back here is the laundry room. And I've got another gallery wall here. This one started out, this probably started the whole thing. Started out as a Halloween display, and I just liked it so much I left it. And I do like it a lot. And then back here is what I call my pretty closet. It just has a lot of my pretty white dishes and silver. I really, really love all this stuff. Yeah. There's some spare picture frames. And there's an altered photograph I did of my dad. I just had a large photograph printed out, and then I added some paint on top of it in an attempt to make it look like a portrait. I think it turned out pretty cool. Yeah. And that's that. I love that sign. And then we'll go back here. Kitchen again. Up top here. And that's a taxidermy display I made with a kind of a inexpensive bird I got online. And this is a lantern I found at the thrift store. Tore all the guts out, painted it, added the twig and the crow. Here, I'll turn it on. And then we'll come this way. My little hallway. It has wall space, so, you know, I have to cover the wall space. I love the morgue sign. And my bathroom, very simple. It's very tiny. But I put a fabulous rug down. I think I got that from Amazon, and I just cut out around the toilet. And so it lives here all the time. I like it so much better than bath mats. So much better. And better than the humdrum tile that it is. And I leave the florals up all year because I really love that color, that chartreusey color. I love that. And there's another chicken wire frame at the cheap window that I don't like. Cheap window I don't like. I like the frame. I'll get this over the... This is the bathtub over here. I found that huge piece of art on Facebook Marketplace for 20 bucks. Oh, I just love that. It fits so perfectly over the bathtub. And then up here, huge apothecary jars, black toilet paper, cotton balls, and my finger sponges. I love finger sponges. I just love the way they look. There's the opposite wall. And I just made the frame. It sits on top of that, you know, it's just a sheet glass of mirror. You know, I don't like that look at all. And then when I moved in, it was just the vanity there in the middle. So I found the pair of little bookcases that happened to fit perfectly. And I just cut out some laminated board for little shelves and put those there. And this over the tank thing here, it was here unfortunately. I'm a renter, so I couldn't get rid of it unfortunately. Anyway, I tried to make it look kind of built in. And so, yeah, I did my best with what I had to work with. And there's my soaps for my little bath time. There you go. And then we come out of the bathroom, and I love this. This is just another poster that I'll be doing a DIY on, just to make it look more like an actual painting. Yeah, that'll be really cool. And then leaning against the wall, I just like the look of artwork leaning against the wall, so I just have those there. And over here is my bedroom. I love my bedroom. To me, it's very calm. The bed I found, it was green. I found that on Walmart.com. Painted it to look rusty and metal. Well, it is metal, but I wanted a silver metal. And I just recently made the banner out of throw pillow covers that I purchased on Temu. I think it turned out really cool. I love that. And another gallery wall. I love this gallery wall in here. To me, it works really well with the black TV. It just kind of makes the black TV look less, well, you know, icky, you know. And my bedside table, my tier tray of fun stuff, and then just one portrait over here. I love that. And up here we've got another cool light fixture that really needs to be dusted. Oh my goodness. Oh, and this here over here, that's a music stand I picked up at the thrift store years ago. And I found this. This is one of those paper mache books you see in the thrift store. So I just redid it with this little poster. And that's that for now. I'm still thinking what I want there for forever. But I do like the stand there. I think it works really well there. And here's this wall. Again, it's a blank wall. We can't have that. Another one of those chairs. That's a $5 chair. Its mate is in the living room. And I made the little ballerina slip covers for both of them. Covered the backs with burlap, and I added the stencil. I think they turned out really cool. I do like the look of exposed tacks and frayed edges. I like that kind of look. And that's my bedroom. My summer linens. Oh, I left this here. I wanted to show you. It's so cute. A friend of mine at work, I'm going to give her something. And, well, actually she bought something, so I just wanted it to look cute. So look at this little evidence bag. Isn't that cute? Yeah, I got that from Temu. Such a good quality little bag. Anyway, I just thought it was cute. I wanted to show you guys. Let's take a look at the tiered tray over here. Some of my eyeball peonies. I love those. I have a thing for crowns with some black succulents there. And there's some little blocks that I made with antique mug shots. So cool. More crowns under glass. Dusty, sorry. And that's that. All right, last room is my office / craft storage. I love the wallpaper. That's peel and stick. So it'll come down and it doesn't damage the wall. I've already changed it once. Isn't that beautiful? I just love that. The chandelier I put together. That's a cheap plastic one from Amazon, and I added the crystal beads and painted it and added the rope and chain. I think it turned out really cool. And it has, I made the bulb snoods for each of the bulbs. I think it turned out really cool. And a bunch of ribbon. And another gallery wall. Look at these are so cool. I like them because I know they're a little morbid, but I like the scientific nature of them. They look like illustrations out of an antique medical journal, medical textbook, but I like that. I love that. Beware of children. And another gallery wall. There's a couple of angels that I painted. My hands I painted. They're from Temu. And I do like framed bugs. And there's all my, or not all of them, but I tried to organize by, you know, my craft stuff as best I could. I've got lots of projects waiting to be done. Here are some projects that have been done. One of them sold already. Look at their little jack-in-the-boxes. And they really spring out of the box. They're so cute, I think. The Home Body Club. That is me in a nutshell. I love being home. Oh, look at desk of a humble. I love that. I love kind of cheeky stuff like that. Find that on Temu. And there's a huge floral I did. I love that. I love the chartreuse with the black and the white and the cream. And then these are all my, I tried to organize. So I've got stuff on the bottom that is for junk journaling, and then I have stuff here that's ready to be sold, and then this is projects. These top two are projects. So yeah, I tried to organize. And we've got another pretty rug. I do like pretty rugs. To me, they're pretty. And this piece here, I love this. Oops, sorry. That is an expensive, well, for me, it was $400. That's a restoration hardware piece that I found on Facebook Marketplace, and I just had to have it. It's just beautifully done. So beautifully done. And the drawers come in very handy, I have to say. And this is a filing cabinet that I found when I was living in Barrier, which is a very tiny town. Had one thrift store. Found it at the thrift store. It was $5. Had the key with it. So I painted it black. And that houses a lot of stuff too. There's my chicken wire bulletin board. And over here I have an actual bulletin board. I just like having fun little stuff on them. So yeah, and I love the floors in this house, the dark floors. And there's another pretty rug. That one's the one in my bedroom. And that is my little house, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Wait till you see it for Halloween. I love Halloween. It's my favorite holiday. So until then, everybody, take care. Hope you enjoyed. Okay, bye.